Okay, here's our topic within the unit of functions, whether the point is on the line. You're going to be given a point in an equation and you're going to say, hey, it's on the line, hey, it doesn't fit the line. All right, we're going to review some things first. The things that we're going to review are substituting values, where you're plugging in a value or number in for x or y and you're solving. So here's our function, this 3x minus y, and we're going to plug in x. So you're going to take that, put it there, take this and put it there. All right. And that's, I get, all right, 3. What's 3 times 1? It's 3. All right. What's 3 minus 2? It's 1. Okay. Here's another one. I'm going to plug in the 1 for the x and the 2 for the y. What do I get? Get 4 times 1 and 2 times 2. What's 4 times 1? 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So I get 4 plus 4, that's equal to 8. All right. Here's another one. All right, now this one's a little different because I got a negative, but 5 times negative 1 is just negative 5. 10 times 2 is 20. Add them up, I get 15. I almost said it wrong, 15. All right, now this is another review. We have a function notation that's f of x equals something, and we want to solve for it. So to do this one, I simply take the 0 value and I plug it in for x and then I solve it. All right, and then, all right, so I get f of 0 is this, 4 for 0. And then I simplify. What's 4 times 0? 4. So 4 times 0 is 0, not 4. Okay? And what's 0 plus 2 is 2. So f of 0 is 0, is 2. Jeez, I keep saying these things wrong. All right, now, going to do the same thing again, where this time I'm going to plug in my x for that, all right? So I'm going to get f of 2 is negative 2 times 2 plus 2, all right? What's negative 2 plus times 2? That's negative 4, so f of 2 is negative 4 plus 2. That means what's negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. So f of 2 is negative 2. All right, here we go, one more. Substitute in, f of negative 3 is going to be negative like that. Simplify, multiply these, I get negative 6. I get positive 6 because there's 2 negatives, all right? And then I add them up and I get 8. All right. So I substitute 3 in for x. So f of 3 is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. All right. Now, one more. Plug in 2, which 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. All right. Now, here's some new material. We're going to be given an equation. And we're going to, in this, on your sheet, you're going to have the graph or a graph. And you really, the question is, hey, is a point fit the line or is it on the line? And that's really what we're doing. We're learning how to do today. So to do this, you need to know the equation and the point. You don't really need the graph. You just need the equation. And you basically do two quick things. You substitute in, and then you see if they match up, or does it make, you simplify it and make sure that they match up. Does it, the equation that you've written, is it correct? All right, here we go. We've got this equation and this graph. Here's the equation, here's our graph, and we want to know if this point's on it. Well, we're going to plug in our values. We're going to substitute 14 goes in for y, and 6 gets plugged in for 3 next to the 3 for x, all right? And then I would simplify it, all right? So what's 3 times 6? That's 18. So it's 18 minus 4, and then what's 18 minus 4? It's 14. So there you go. The sides match up. So yes, this point is on the line. All right, here we go. Once again, we've got a point. Here's our equation. We're going to substitute. So we're going to take this and put it in there. Take this and put it in there. All right. And after we've done that, we get this. All right. Oh, I drew that the wrong way. So it should go there. All right. So does 12 equal 3 times negative 3 minus 4? Now the next step would be to simplify. And I get this because 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. What's negative minus 4? That's negative 13. So that means these two things don't add up. So the answer to our question now is, oh, come on. Is that, hey, it isn't on the line. Okay. Now the last one. 2/6, does it fit on the line given by this? So first thing I'm going to do, be clear, here's my point, the 2/6. Here's my equation, all right? First thing I'm going to do is substitute, plug them in. So 3 times 2, like that, all right? And then I'm going to simplify. What's 3 times, negative 3 times 2? It's negative 6 plus 12, does that equal 6? So negative 6 plus 12 is actually equal to 6, so yes, it is on the line. And there you have it, that's what we're doing. And let me know if anything I can do to help, and have a great day.